In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export TradingView data. This process is invaluable if you're looking to get detailed insights and analyze historical chart data away from the platform. Let's walk through the steps you need to take to successfully export this data. First, you'll want to start by opening TradingView and logging into your account. It's essential to be logged in because accessing your dedicated charts and data features requires authentication through your personal account. Once you're logged in, go ahead and navigate to the chart of the specific instrument whose data you want to export. This might be a stock, commodity, or currency pairing that you're particularly interested in. Make sure you're viewing the chart in the right time frame. Whether it's a daily, hourly, or any specific time interval, remember that the export will only include data from what's currently visible on your screen. That's why it's crucial to ensure the chart is set to the time frame you need right at the outset. Next, you'll want to adjust the visible data range. This can be easily done by zooming out or scrolling on the chart to load the historical data you require. Keep in mind that TradingView only exports the data that's loaded and visible on your view. So, if you need an extensive data set, you'll need to extend your zoom or adjust your time frame settings to ensure all desired data is loaded in view. Now, look for the Chart Options menu. This is typically accessed via a down arrow found on the Charts toolbar. Once you've located this icon, click it, which will then show a list of additional options. In this menu, keep an eye out for the option that says Export Chart Data, and go ahead and click it. TradingView will then take a moment to process your request and generate a downloadable file. The export will create a CSV file, which is a common format for data interchange that's easy to open in most spreadsheet applications. This file generally contains essential columns such as date, time, open, high, low, close, and volume. Select a location on your device to save the file that makes sense for your organizing style, so you can easily access it later on. Once you've saved your data, you can open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Within these programs, you can dive deeper into the data for further analysis, whether that means filtering certain assets, manipulating different columns, or even visual data representations. Here's a critical note. Exporting chart data is a feature available on paid TradingView plans. So, if you find the export option missing in your menu, check to see what type of plan you have. You might need to upgrade or consult TradingView support for more assistance. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to exporting TradingView data with ease. Feel free to put this data to good use. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.